so this is my 2016 ND Miata. It is a sport version, so it does not have all the bells and whistles, or any bells and whistles for that matter. It's very, very basic. It's the lowest trim you can get. No LSD, no Brembo brake, no Brembo brakes, and yeah, it's just super basic. This car right here, this ND, is on BC Racing coilovers. I have an ISR muffler delete, or a axleback, and it's sitting on some Enkeis. They are Enkei Evolution RSs. They're like old 3-piece wheels. They're really cool. They're 4x114, so we're running a 25mm spacer to run the wheels, and they're on 205 40s, real skinny rubber band tires. But we have other things on this car, not performance oriented, but we have LED lights, we have the sequential turn signals, sequential side markers, and we had a carbon Miata trunk. But if you guys watched the last video, I'll put that video in the description below. But we got in an accident and they kind of crunched the trunk in the process. It sucks, but I mean, we're back on the stock trunk, which has a nice little lip. My future plans with this car is to put the cage in, or not cage, we have a roll bar, Cusco roll bar. We'll put that in soon, and we also got sway bars, so we'll put the sway bars on. And maybe once we get off these wheels, maybe next season we'll get some like track wheels or lightweight wheels, because these Enkeis are super heavy. The sway bars, I heard, help improve the handling like crazy. So that's very that should be exciting, and that should change the driving characteristics of the car, make it more enjoyable. I mean, this car hugs the corners as is with the coilovers, but I heard the sway bars just take it to a new level, so that should be very fun. This is a pretty slow car. They come factory with 151 horsepower to the crank. So I mean, I can imagine that's only like 120 horsepower or something like that, and probably at the wheels. So yeah, this car is not fast by any means, but it's a lightweight car, so it moves a little bit. It's very good on like taking corners, but in straight line, this car is dog water. Get a quick downshift. Heel toe action. Ooh, heel toes are crispy. No? This car is literally so easy to heel toe in. Like, the pedals are right next to each other, the gas and the brake. So hitting that like little super easy. Yeah, once we get pulled over, I'll show you guys the car. Just a little walkthrough for you guys that haven't seen the car in your first view in the channel. I think since I've got it, I put it on like maybe 20,000, 25,000 miles, somewhere up there, but a lot of miles compared to the other cars. This car you can take everywhere. So yeah, and it's super good on gas. The STI, I'm sure you could drive it anywhere, but that thing just guzzles gas for fun. And here it is, guys. my 2016 ND Miata. Right now we got the reindeer theme going on because it's near Christmas time, so a little bit festive. Got the antlers and the red nose. But yeah, this is it. These are the Enkeis. These are 17x8 plus 38 with a 25mm spacer, so they sit pretty good. And if you guys watched the last video, you'll see that we got hit in the rear. The Sky Active badge is like cracked, but we replaced the taillight, put on the stock trunk, now it's all good. But yeah guys, this is it. It's mostly stock. I'll show you guys the sequentials. Flashes once when you lock it, flashes twice when you unlock it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We have the LED license plate lights, LED side markers, front and rear. We have the sequential side markers too. Same thing as the turn signals in the rear. When you lock it, it goes once, unlock it, it's twice. And yeah, so as you guys know, or as some of you guys know, the sport models don't come with the DRLs that are LEDs. I changed this myself. It's literally plug and play from the other models like the Grand Touring, and etc. You literally just unclip your regular ones and you put these in, and it works good. I love them. They look so much better than the sport model ones. This thing is like the perfect daily. If you guys are thinking about getting a Miata, and I mean you live by yourself, no kids, no nothing, this thing is perfect. It's easy to get around town. Put on some winter tires and you're good. Like, this thing does it all. That's literally what we do in the winter. Before I had the Subi, we have winter wheels for this car. We just put them on, and yeah, we just keep it going. Had this car for I think about 2 years now, and don't regret it one bit. You know, I came close to selling it. Thank God I didn't. So yeah, I think that'll be it for this video, guys. Let me know if you guys like this style of video, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Actually, we just hit 300 subscribers, so that's a big thing. Thank you guys for that. I hope you guys enjoy the videos, and yeah, let me know if you guys want to see anything else with this car. I love this car to death. We can definitely do more POV driving, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one.